All right. Um, didn't do a video yesterday. I was busy all day with work. Worked another one of those 14, 15-hour days yesterday. So I was out at 7:30, didn't come back till 11, 10:30ish. So didn't do a video yesterday, but I'll talk about my trades yesterday. So yeah, let's talk about yesterday's setup on the market. So market near all-time highs yesterday, looking good. Almost seventh green day in a row. I don't one, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah, sixth green day in a row. It was looking very good, very strong, and I was looking for some setups on my watch list. I had all these names. I think the best two that I came up with was Nova. So I traded Nova yesterday, which is this is what it looked like yesterday. Bought it, got stopped out, and then I took stopped out for a very very small loss. I don't have the screenshots from yesterday, but I do have it on my trader views. So yeah, we can open up this. See 16th Nova. I took a tiny tiny loss. So let's see. So I think I top ticked it. Just kind of great, fantastic, love it. And then I went just slightly lower the day. I did like tiny size, like a fourth of my size, because I just didn't wasn't really confident in it. Confident in it. I was I don't know. I just felt like to go small size, and then thank God I did because it was a really really small loss, and then it eventually like failed. It seemed like it failed hard, and then it just reclaimed it all day. The rest of the day just reclaimed it all the way up, which to me looked good because or gave me a sign of strength. So gave me more confidence to come into it today, and buy it if it potentially broke out. So yeah, it was Nova, and then I got into TSLT, which is the leverage version of Tesla. Now, the reason I bought this, even though this one is specifically is not a really a breakout, but the reason why I bought this was because I wanted to see it. Oops. I really liked the way it looked. It failed out in the morning, even though the market was pretty strong. It failed out in the morning, and then it was reclaiming VWAP. And as I was reclaiming, I was like, okay, if this can hold above it and stay above VWAP, I'm gonna buy it. So I entered it, and then I was risking, I think, low of day. Even though it wasn't a breakout setup, I bought it and was waiting for it to reclaim the high of day, which it eventually did. And then I just decided to hold on to it until today, which is this is what it's doing today. Not very strong. Don't really like the way it looks. But tomorrow, I think everybody's waiting for that FOMC meeting tomorrow. I just heard everybody talk about it. To me, it doesn't really mean anything. I mean, the market's gonna make its decision whether it likes it or not. You know, if the market goes up, market goes up. If the market goes down, then oh well, the market goes down. But I don't really trade off other than earnings. I don't really trade off of anything of like economic data. It doesn't really mean anything to me. There's always bad news, good news. Market goes up, market goes down. Who cares? I don't know. Whatever the market reacts with. But I'm still holding on to this one. I bought in at my average is 14.34, so it got up $1 higher, over $1 higher. So I raised up my stop to break even. So this one is going to be a free trade for me if it does eventually come and break down. But in that case, yeah. So those are my two trades yesterday. Still in this Tesla one TSLT. We'll see how it does tomorrow. I don't know what time that meeting is or whatever that thing's going on tomorrow. So that one. What else? I'm still in SOC. All right, now we can go back to our trades today. So then today I bought Nova. So yesterday I got stopped out. It looked like it was breaking out. It looked fantastic. Got stopped out. Reclaimed all day. And then today when it opened up, it looked pretty strong. So I bought it in the morning. And here is the screenshot of what it looks like, where my entry was. And I'm still in this stock, obviously, because I bought it today on the breakout. Was a little later. Was a little late to it. Um, I could have bought it here in the 1170s. but I eventually just waited for it to see if it was gonna just hold because a lot of times I just get stopped out of it. So, and then also I like the way it looked off this red to green, bounced off of it, looked strong. Should have bought it here. I wasn't paying attention here. I was paying attention to other stocks, but then I looked over, saw it was doing well, so I bought it, and then I'm still in it now. Hopefully this can make a pretty good run. It looks great on the daily chart. I like the way it looks. Very very strong. Very very nice. This could be. I think I said it the other day. This could be the leader of the solar stocks. Hopefully those can get moving. I don't know. I don't know why this is moving in terms of like some people say those elections and I don't know the debate. I don't. Who cares? I don't know. What other trades did I have today? CDNA. So this one, it looked like a breakout in the morning, and I did eventually buy it. I'm still in it. This is what it looks like on the day on my chart. So I bought it here on this break on this high of this 2 minute chart, and then yeah, I bought it in there. I bought it obviously. It looked great throughout the day. It's still looking great, but at this market, especially with the SPY is red on the day, even though it just cleared all-time highs. I don't know what's wrong, why it's doing, oh, what's going on, what, who knows. But yeah, so I'm still in this one. It's not looking too bad, looking good so far. So hopefully you can get some continuation tomorrow. That'll be nice. What else did I trade today? I think I traded so I'm still in SLC. Let's see how that one's doing. This one's been a rock star for me. I don't even know. I barely put any size on this trade, to be fair. I think I only put like not even half, maybe a fourth size. What I was risking that day. So my average cost is 21.59. So yeah, I was barely risking anything. I don't know why I put in such a small size. I think I put like in a third size. I really wasn't gonna really didn't trust it honestly. It reminded me of Kava the setup, but Kava hasn't been performing that well. It's also a much bigger company. Um, but yeah, this the way it bounced off the way it looked in this area reminded me of Kava with this continuation that it had. So Kava inspired me for it, and then I thought, if it bounces off this 10-day and it can continue up higher, which is exactly what it's done. So this has been a great buy. It's been a great setup. Even on the hourly, it looked like a flag too. So I really liked it. It's worked out so far. And then I think that's it. That's all the ones I have so far. Oh, and then Lumen. So I tried to buy the breakout today on Lumen. I missed it here on this day, and uh, I've been trying to get back in, but I don't think it's gonna give me another opportunity. Um, we'll see. We'll see how it does tomorrow. I think I missed it here, to be honest with you. Missed the setup here, but if it can continue higher, I'll buy it, and hopefully we get some continuation tomorrow. Hopefully, whatever that the prediction is tomorrow is better than, or whatever the hell's going on is better than what it's supposed to be, and we have good market coming into this last quarter, or into the election. Sorry, yeah. Um, yeah, Lumen. Let me show you the Lumen. Here we go. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on TSLT. I think I was up like pretty big on that on the high of the day today. Who cares? Whatever. So Lumen, I was kind of doing a similar setup to TSLT that I did yesterday. Um, I was I was looking here. You can see that it just wasn't gonna go under that red to green, so it just rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it reclaimed VWAP. And during the time, it looked like it was gonna hold. So once it cleared, I bought it, and then it popped up, but nothing. It just sold right back down. And then I was like, okay, let me just put in my stop at. I put it at lower than these, basically lower than lower of day. But then I was looking at it, and I was like, this looks very weak. It's starting to look like a bull flag. I think it's called a bull flag, but this setup here, and it looked like it was gonna be weak. So I just sold it. I just didn't like the set. I was like, well, if this is gonna hold, if this is gonna do what I think or what I wanted it to do, it's not gonna. act like this. It's gonna be above VWAP and then continue higher. The fact that it rejected it, it was like bouncing in between this area and got weaker. I was like, let me get out of here. So I sold it, eventually selling it, and then took a tiny loss on it. So not mad about that one. Hopefully this can, break out again. Break out here and clear. Looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. I think the breakout was here though this day. Let's see. So the SPY is pretty weak. Hit all-time highs, but then just sold off. I'm just trying to see if it always does that. Not really. Neon, I missed this one. I think I said it a couple videos ago. I just completely missed it, and now it's it's doing great. Doing great. Up 55%, up 50% in less than a week. App still absolutely trucking along. Missed this one too. SLC didn't miss this one. Nova, it's looking good still. CNA, Clove, maybe this one can base a little bit and break out again too. CSLT, yeah, I'm down. I'm not down, but it's gonna be a break-even trade if it gets to my stop. Which is pretty sad because Tesla looks great for a breakout here. I mean, higher lows, relentlessly building higher lows. It's getting tighter, volume's dying. You can see down here, volume's getting a little lower. Broke out today, but just couldn't hold. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it can stay here and not go lower. But I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this thing for a break-even trade. But yeah, it's looking good. I like the way this looks on Tesla. And then I'm gonna see what are the big movers for today. Oh wow, this looks like a short. Yeah, short squeeze. Not like a short, like I'm gonna short it, but it looks like a short squeeze. Like this, they're getting torched. Let's see. Float supposedly is 500,000. Market cap's 2 million. Oof. Okay, well let's see what's moving. PLC Lace. Man, Lace. Oh well. This one I was looking at it these days here. These 3 days here. Never touched it, didn't do anything, but now it's breaking out. Oh well. It wasn't really a good setup anyways. Wide and loose and maybe also the ADR is 28, so that comes into account. Yeah. I think that oh well, whatever. It is what it is. Lucy. Lucy in the sky. I see a lot of uptrending green charts. This one doesn't look too bad, but doesn't seem like a very good trader. Doesn't seem like a fun trader. Calm. That's another one. I don't know if I wouldn't say I missed this one. It just wasn't even on my radar, so I can't even be mad at it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This one's looking like it can set up really nicely here. I'm gonna add it to my watch list. I'm gonna add it. Let me see. There it is. Gonna add this one to the watch list. I like the way it looks. Peloton, not really. Till this one's been a scary one. I was watching it. I think I saw it this day here. Scary. On the short side, obviously. Even if you get long later in the move, still kind of scary. Yeah, that's about it. Some stocks look like they're doing great. Some of them kind of struggling, but these all kind of nice setups going. This Kava one could. Sorry if I screamed in your ear. On this Kava one, because I'm very excited about this one. This one's probably gonna be a slow one. This can just maybe a couple more days. The 10-day can catch up. I think I bought it this day here. Oh no, this day here I think. At 117, and I just sold it intraday. But yeah, if I can, I think if this one could break out, it'd be nice, good run. I've only been there once. I don't know. The food was good when I went, but I don't know if it's gonna be like another Chipotle. That's what everyone's saying. Or all my friends, they're like, yeah, it's like a Mediterranean Chipotle. Whatever. H row missed it on this day here. Didn't do too much, but WGS broke out here. Looks like it's getting it back. CRDO, don't know why I'm watching this one, and then ASTS. This one, I was waiting for a breakout on it today. It looked really nice. Big red day for it today. So, yeah, that's it for today. That's it for me today. Market's looking okay. Nothing. I guess tomorrow, after tomorrow, is where it's gonna be. It's gonna be the deciding factor. I think they're gonna be. The prediction is either 0.25 or point 0.5. I don't know. It's basis points. So either 25 basis points or 50 basis points. I don't know how that works. But for the interest rate cut, I don't know. Who cares? I don't. We'll see how the market reacts tomorrow, and then I'll give you guys a video tomorrow. All right. See you guys.